So before there was a house, there were the trees. Benji and Savannah, the client named sentinels of this site. They stood as quiet guardians, their presence defining not just the land, but the life that would unfold within it. They shaped more than the architecture. They shaped the experience. Their limbs traced the boundaries of possibility, their roots anchoring the design in something deeper than structure, something enduring, something timeless. This home doesn't simply stand beside those trees, it exists because of them. We unbundled this house intentionally and deliberately to give these oaks and nature its due. The architecture didn't dictate here. It actually deferred, yielding to nature's quiet authority. Transparency became a guiding principle for this house, not simply in material, but absolutely in intent. So walls cease to be barriers. They become invitations, thresholds between shelter and landscape, presence and perspective. So the true measure of a home is not in how it stands, but in how it makes you feel. Mullet Point is more than a place, it's an experience. Light shifts, shadows dance, walls dissolve into the landscape, and through it all, those trees remain. They're steady and timeless. They're the soul of this place. So the home doesn't compete with those trees, it belongs to them. It welcomes you in, but it never lets you forget where you are, rooted, immersed, and connected to nature.